Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable your active status on LinkedIn, making it visible to all members. This feature is particularly useful for networking, as it allows others to see when you're online and ready to engage. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar LinkedIn interface. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small icon labeled Me. Click on this icon to access your profile settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Scroll down until you see the Visibility section. Click on this to proceed. Now, within the Visibility settings, scroll down further until you find the option labeled Manage Active Status. This is where you control who can see your online status. You have three options here: No one, Your Connections Only, and All LinkedIn Members. To make your active status visible to everyone on LinkedIn, choose the option that says All LinkedIn Members. By selecting this, you're allowing all users on the platform to see when you're online. This can be beneficial for expanding your network and engaging with others in real time. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. However, note that it might take a few minutes for these changes to take effect across the platform. Enabling your active status can enhance your LinkedIn experience by making it easier for others to initiate conversations or reach out to you when you're most available. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your visibility and engagement on the platform. That's it. You've successfully enabled your active status on LinkedIn, making it visible to all members. This feature can be a powerful tool for networking and building professional relationships. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience.